everyone, so welcome to my vlogging channel. I'm so excited to be posting a lot on this channel and knowing that like you guys are subscribed because you want to watch my vlogs. My eyes just started watering because I do that when I'm excited. Okay. There's Kanoni. She's just drinking hot chocolate because we just got some.
Ew, the last bit is really grainy.
I know, some hot chocolate. We got like 2 little biscuit things or whatever
and then,
they're called,
look
cinnamon bun.
My dad dropped off this super good pasta. It doesn't
lunch,
look good, but it is really good.
It does look good.
Okay.
So
okay.
I might be vlogging like maybe every other day. It just depends on if I'm doing anything fun over the summer because, well, I am going to be vlogging on this channel when I go to New York and Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. and everything like that. But, yeah, I'm excited about this channel and hope you enjoy today.
Oh, I love you. I love you, baby boo-boo.
Only when he's acting like this, though. Otherwise, you don't like him. Because he's annoying. I have to deal with him. We're not totally into it because I just had a lot of sweets.
By the way, guys, this is the last time we're ever gonna hang out. I know. Oh, no, not forever, but for a long time. You're so
For a long time.
But I will be vlogging. We have to make an announcement on our main channel. We're on you now. Someone commented, and it's awesome. So we're outside now, and we're gonna go on a walk, and we're going to get some food and stuff. So yeah. So we're having a little picnic on the field. We're just eating like Cheetos and just hang 10. We're gonna watch American Dad, and yeah.
I need my birth certificate.
It was pretty cool.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, yeah. And I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Show the comments.
There's like no comments right now.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, you're good.
Somebody's kicking me.
So Kanoni just heated up some pasta for me. She was gonna. Oh, I'm vlogging.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, yeah. And I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you'll
we got
tea. Tita. So me and Kanoni both have the hiccups at the same time. Wait. Darn it, you missed it. Sorry. Sorry.
I was like, and you're like,
we're doing it at the same time.
oh my god. Oh.
Oh. We both hiccuped at the same time. Try to.
Oh my
I just made 2 thumbnails for 2 vlogs. I made this one for my graduation vlog. But this vlog will be on my main channel because I kind of wanted everyone to see that. And so yeah, if you haven't seen this one, then go on my main channel to watch it. But yes, and then the other one is for the vlog you are actually watching like right now. So sneak peek into the... Actually, you guys will already see the thumbnail. Never mind. So I just wanted to say goodnight. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Go subscribe to my main channel. It will be linked below. Also add me on Snapchat and follow me on Instagram. I was about to go to sleep, but then I forgot that I didn't end the vlog, so I had to do that before I went to sleep. Love you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.